Hi, in this Viz Minute I'm going to show you how to use a very useful plugin for creating still maps in Photoshop using VizWorld. First, go to File, then Script and Setting to select your VizWorld server. Enter the IP or hostname and click Save. Then open the map editor and let's search for Norway. The plugin will generate layers based on the options selected for the different layers in your VizWorld setting. You can define up to 5 different layers, each with unique options. You can change the color of the region and objects and use the full features of Photoshop to create a still image, for instance, for online use. Once you're done, export the map as a still image.